Folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to another stream here. I'm Lord Bankz, and we're taking the Blue Guardian 100K challenge. Day 2. Yesterday we had 2 trades. 1 trade hit stops, and second trade went I was like 3 pips before take profit, and then it hit break even, ended up melting. Look at this. This was right before or right around New York open. Just melted. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Where are we? Here was GJ. This was the stops on GJ. She came down. She's pushed up. Look at this massive push real quick. I want to see real quick if we got news today. CPI data. That's probably why we see the push on GBP JPY. And then Canadian news is 7:30. Oh, Fed chair at 9 a.m. Okay. So we should be good here because the news they just came out right now. So let that react. Let the news react to that, and then we will mark that chart up. Let's look at this. I want to look at the weekly, see where the week is at. So yeah, we're definitely bullish. Tapping into those lows. Hasn't broken this previous week's low. There's no wick to the upside though. So something to take note of. Gold, yesterday's candle was bearish. Closed bearish. Broke the lows of the previous day. Does have a wick to the top. A wick to the bottom. This was the level of support that we had. It's basically breaking through that now. Current daily candle does have a wick to the top, and it's pushing down, maybe coming to test the lows here to see if it's going to break the lows. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Let's see here. I'll look at the 4-hour. So this was the range we were in that I was looking at, and it's beginning to break out of that. It tested it yesterday in the morning, New York. Wick down. Now we're basically filling that wick. So we could have some additional movement here to finish filling that wick or breaking that low. We'll probably have some kind of movement back to retest this area. If not, come to fill this wick. Right. The 1 hour. Nice movement there. So I'm just going to go ahead and establish a breakout range here on the 15. Yeah. Hold on a second, guys. Oh, let me think I like it better like this. Change the vibe up a little bit. If you're my Telegram, I'll send you guys the link of the Spotify playlist that I'm going to be listening to. Just oh, you know what? Hang on a second. Sorry. Oh, how's everybody doing? Good, good. Change this, change that. All right. So to the downside, I do think we're bearish here. Let's see where we're at over here. Yeah, that looks nice. I'll keep the same target here. But I don't want it to be this like massive candle because then it's going to give me a horrible stop. So hopefully it's not this candle that breaks through. Hopefully it's the next one. And if it pulls up, I mean, we have nice direction here. I'll probably target the bottoms of these first. If we're looking at that. That's not what I was trying to do. I'm just setting alerts now for whenever the candle crosses and it closes. Because remember, I don't want it just to wick down. I want it to actually close. So I set alerts on there. That way we're alerted when it crosses and it closes. Gold is looking pretty close. We'll probably be taking sells here. I mean, I still think it's bearish as hell, but I don't want it to be this candle because, look, watch, I'll show you why. If I can zoom in here. Let's say this one closes, right? Our stops is going to be above the previous wicks, about a 50 pip stop. Our first target here is about 38 pips, and the risk to reward is less than 1. So, you know, it's kind of a problem. So really what I would like it to do is pull back and then be the next candle. It'd be the next candle with the wick above here. Then we'll have a nice risk to reward, right? So that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm waiting on. But we'll be patient. We'll wait for it to do its thing, and then I'll jump in. For GJ, look at that massive pullback. And that might have been the retest we're looking for. I really still don't like this market structure. I mean, I know yesterday was bearish. This was bearish. This is bearish engulfing. So it's a confirmation of the downside move, but has the wick to the top. It has like a kind of a little bit of support here. We're still developing this candle right now, the daily. It could come down to fill the previous. If it's to continue, it should be breaking, right? Breaking the low. But GJ's been weird as hell lately. So we have consolidation, breakout, retest. Honestly, this looks pretty textbook. It's nice. Push down. Here's the low coming down, rejecting. See the same pattern again. Shit, we might get a nice sell here. It's not bad if we can get. Let's see what this is here. 17 pips. Ugh. We're probably better off right here. It's like 23 pips. It's not bad. To the upside, I don't really have, besides this here, this would be the next one, yeah, right here. But this is a massive candle. I wouldn't even try to take this because let's say this closes here in about a minute. It's a 46 pip stop. Next target is right here. Oh, no, not that. So the risk to reward would be horrible. See? So, and above this would be even higher. Yeah. I'm not in anything right now, guys. I'm not in anything. Like, I'll let you guys know. I'm just measuring. Just measuring. We got about 20 seconds here, but this thing is, I wouldn't try to jump into this. What did the CPI data come out as? That came better. Look, well, previous 8.7, forecast 8.4, and it came out at 8.7. It's good for the currency. So you're probably going to see this continue up. It might be pulling back, and honestly, it might come back down around this area, and you could get in for a buy, fill the wick. I think long-term over time, maybe the 1 hour, 4 hour, it'll continue down in this zone. I don't think it'll come higher than breaking these highs, but to give you a quick opportunity, a scalp could probably take this pullback for a buy. But I really don't feel comfortable with GJ right now. She did the same thing yesterday. And then this was the push up, and then it melted. So Wild. Mm-mm. Yeah, the news was good, so we'll probably see this rise, especially when London opens. So maybe we get some kind of pullback here to push up. Gold is still in this range here. This is on the 5 minute. This is the 15. Got this massive candle. Got a wick here. I honestly think it's going to come down though long term. Like, look at this here. Look at the daily. We created this level of resistance here. See this? Right? We had our indecision price reversal candle. We had our price confirmation candle. And now with this candle here, this candle opened here, pushed down, pushed up here, creating a top wick, and now it's pulling down on the daily. Here's this wick here, so this could be running into the retest of the bottom of this wick, right? On the bottom of these candles. And then coming down to, if the trend is to continue, break this low. At the bare minimum, maybe fill this wick, right? So I think that was the push up. And look at where this wick stopped. Right at the top of this, the body of this candle. The bottom of this one. So then you start seeing the move down. right? On the daily. That's why I think. But does that mean in the smaller time frame it's going to start coming down now? I mean, no one. I mean, we can't say that for sure. Yeah, gold is playing around in this zone. I'm curious if I like this push here, this big candle break, and this pullback retesting. If we can get some bearish confirmation here, then I might enter a sell. Just giving you guys a heads up. Ideally, what we want to see is the wicks not breaking previous highs, and then maybe like a doji, bearish engulfing. Got about 20 seconds on this candle. Nice. Come on. I can answer some questions. If you guys have questions, jump in the comments. I don't know if this is sharing over to my stream, but because it doesn't seem like it. I don't know. I guess we're only on here today. Oh, you know what? I forgot to share it. Nope, that's not it. So we're getting that bearish movement now. If this candle closes bearish engulfing, I'm going to take a sell. Just FYI. We got about 2.5 minutes. I'm not in a trade yet. I'm just looking at what the position looks like. Got about 30 seconds here. This is looking nice. Like a, say probably about a 15 pip stop. That would be a 15 pip stop. Be 1-to-1. It's actually going to be less. It's be about a 13 pip stop. Come on, baby. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? All right, I'm just going to calculate this real quick. I'm going to use 0.5% for gold. So I'm going to take a 3.3 lot size trade on gold sales. All right, I'm in 1933.88 is my entry price. So wrong one. All right. So we're doing 15 pip stop. PP1 is going to be right there. We're in sales, guys. We're in sales. Should be in profits, guys. Approaching TP1. Yeah, I'm in this trade, guys. I took a 3.33 lot size sell for the challenge account. It's my entry. I really like this, to be honest. Looks really nice. No, I'm risking like 0.5%. 0.5% on this. We're in this trade. Guys, and the prices, I just put them on here for reference for you guys, but you really need to pay attention to your broker because there's variances in different brokers and different prices. Okay. Pay attention to where the candles are and the prices are in relation to those candles. Your broker will have a different price. Now we just be patient. Let price do what it's got to do. You know, I've done my job. You know, I followed my rules. I did everything I could what I could control. At this point, the only thing I can control is if it gets close to my TP1 and it starts wicking, then I can go ahead and take partials and adjust stops to break even. When it gets to TP1, I will take partials. I'll probably close half. The reason I'll close half is because I want to kind of recover a little bit of the loss from yesterday. And I want to leave some on there because I do believe like long term it's going to keep falling. And if we got in at a good entry price, like it could go a lot lower, just based on the daily candles. Like the overall direction, like we're in a good position. I'll calculate the position size using this app called Stunu. You put in your capital, and then you put in your risk percentage, and then your asset that you're trading. Very, very effective tool. So we're in some nice profits here. It's looking good. Currently up about 9 pips. Breaking all the lows. I like that. So the reason we got in on this was moving down from the 15-minute to the 5-minute. I could see the break of structure here of this low with this massive candle volume. This pullback here, rejection here, price reversal sign, bearish engulfing candle confirmation, and that's where I got in. The name of the app is right here, guys. It's on the screen. Stinu, Stinu. It's coming back to entry for those that didn't get a chance to get in. You might have a second entry here or a second opportunity for an entry. It's right about break even right now. So we got about maybe 15 minutes before London Open. I like that the wick broke the lows here. It gives us opportunity for the next candle to actually fill that wick as well. Just reading price action as we go, you know? What? The strategy I'm using is my strategy. It's like, this is how I trade. Showing it to you guys live. Oh. We need some more volume. More volume, please. More volume, please. No, we didn't have a trade on US 30 this morning. We didn't have a trade on US 30 this morning. It was here and it broke before because this was actually not here. This was here. So we ended up breaking out before NYSE open. So I don't get in before. And then by the time it opened here, we were already down here. This was a pullback here. Could have been a second opportunity, but I wasn't trying to take that chance because I didn't know how I was going to react in the zone. Thought it was going to consolidate some more, and it actually melted. Would have been nice. But we didn't have a trade. This thing is down 5 pips. Coming back, test his zone. We don't have a wick to the downside, so I'm still okay with this because I feel like it's going to need to move down a bit. See how it goes. And she's pushing. There's the volume. This thing is breaking these highs now. It's matching it. Probably going to hit stops now. Look at that. We broke these highs. I don't like that. Yo, what up, CJ? Late as usual. Down like 9 pips. Ooh, it doesn't look good. She's coming for our stop. Still in. Hell of a start to this challenge. But it stops. Killing me. Where were we? We were 4.7 pips away from TP1. Yeah, 4.4. 4.5 pips away. She's still alive. There's gonna be a weekly recap video that I'm doing with Trading Nut for the challenge, like showing where it's at. I mean, I could probably show you guys. Well, yeah, she's pretty close to her stops. So we got London Open. Let's see where the volume takes us. Got a little doji candle going on there. I wonder what GJ is doing. What did that 15-minute candle close like? We got about like 30 seconds left on this candle. This is a good sign. I mean, we're getting that bearish momentum now. London is open. The volume is coming in. This could have been that last push up, taking out stops from here. And now we're starting to move to the downside, which I like. Obviously, we're still in a little bit of drawdown, but we'll see how this plays out. Really, what I'm looking for now is to see, can we break this market structure here for confirmation that we're moving to the downside. Coming back to break even. Still alive, baby. Still alive. Here she comes again for her stops. Oh, stopped out. Out. That's awesome. Damn. It's like a lot higher than. Let's see, what are we down right now? 1.3%. That's what I'm down. Look at GJ. Bro, if she wicks and then comes down, I'm gonna be pissed. I can take one more trade, but I want to make sure like it's a good setup. I don't really see like the way this is moving is not what I want. Let's watch this for a bit. I want to see how structure forms here. Still pretty early. It's still 2 o'clock, 2:12. Damn, look at GJ. Yeah, I got stopped out. 15 pip stop here. Wow, look at GJ. Damn, look at that. I was looking at like a break and a retest here. This zone here. Well, this candle broke through, came back, retest. But there was no wick down here, so. No, this is my second, third. Oh, excuse me. Yesterday we took 1L and then one we broke even on, and then today we took 1L. And if I take one more trade, that'll be my fourth trade. But I've been risking a small amount. Like, we have the unlimited, like, we got plenty of time. Just trying to find my move. Like, I'm not concerned about taking an L here, taking an L there. Like, those are just part of it, you know? Like, if you're failing the challenge over the last two trades, you obviously did not listen to risk management or calculate your risk correctly, because it shouldn't be anywhere near it, you know? Yeah, I was just looking at GJ, see if I see anything, but like I said, I saw this like kind of break and retest here, but it's not really good price action for me. Like, it could go up, but it didn't play out how I want. I would have rather had like more like wick rejection, you know, signs of reversal. But it just came down, flattened out, and push up. Like, it's not really, because I think maybe it could continue down, like, based on this price action. So I'm not gonna force any trades, guys. Just taking it easy, my friend, taking it easy. We have this zone here too. See this consolidation area? Came back up to test that. Touched it. Pushed down. And maybe I should, you know what, if this closes bearish, I might give it one more chance. We'll see. But you know, what does this 15-minute candle look like? I don't think I like it. No, I probably won't take it. Unlimited is the only way to go. Nope, time pressure. Yeah, and really, like, if you think about it, like I mentioned this on my Instagram, when you're thinking about a 30-day calendar, there's days that, well, personally, because I don't trade news, right? So, like, you know, you got FOMC, you got NFP, you got CPI. Take out the weekends, take out those days. I don't trade Mondays and Fridays. So really, how many days do you get? Like, it reduces that, right? So that's why I say, like, with other prop firms, when you have that time limit, you're like you're going to be aggressive. And then it's like a trading psychology thing where, like, the first phase, they tell you, okay, for the most part, most prop firms are like 10%, and you got 30 days. You take out the weekends, take out Mondays and Fridays, take out the days with news. You got a handful of days. You got to make 10%. And then say you make that, they give you phase two, half the percent, twice the time. So mentally, it screws with you because you're in aggressive mode, and then you got to switch it back down to let me chill out, and that's why a lot of people lose. That's why prop firm business model is profitable. Like, why do you think so many prop firms are popping up everywhere? You'd think if they weren't making money, you would not see them popping up everywhere. Like, I mean, come on, the majority of people are failing. But what I liked about Blue Guardian was the fact that they had the unlimited option where it's like time doesn't matter. So if time don't matter, I mean, it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time, right? Like, and I was joking when trading that when I was messaging him. I was like, I'm gonna pass this in 2 days. And he was like, oh man, he was like, be careful, turn on because the back in the Blue Guardian has like the Guardian Protector or whatever. And I was like, nah, I'm just joking, man. I'm just gonna take it nice and easy. Like, obviously, I would have liked a better start, right? But we just didn't get to play. Like, but even then, we're a couple days into it. I'm down maybe, what is it, 1.3%, just a little over 1%. We're in a good place. Not concerned. Look at this. She's still pumping up. Just got to be patient, wait for a move. Like, these moves will happen where our stops are hit, but as long as we mind our risk management and our percentage game, like, we're going to catch our move. Eventually we will catch our move. It's a numbers game. Yeah, the time messes with your head, that for sure. These things a music playlist section on the page, I think. Yeah, that would be. I'm not rushing anything. I literally just talked about how I wasn't rushing anything. You talking about what I told trading on? I was just joking, man. My goal is I really want to pass this and have you guys follow along. And I mean, we're gonna literally create the most six-figure traders ever if we all pass this together. Like, that's really my goal. And it's not for me. I mean, I already have my account, my personal account, and I'm good with it. But to do this for, a lot of the members that in my community and, trading nuts people, 100%. But we just got to be patient, man. The only thing I ask is, like, you guys share that patience with me and then just keep showing up, because that one day that you're like, man, we hit a loss, like let's say tomorrow, you're like, no, I'm not going to join the live because I lost a trade, and then watch the next live be the live that, we make 3, 4, 5, 10x return, like, don't do it to yourself. It always be that one, like, it's always like, the one I miss. I get that from a lot of people. They're like, man, the day I miss is like the day you win. And I'm like, well, look, you just got to be consistent, keep showing up. Because I can't tell you when it's going to hit, what day is going to be the day that we get our setup and it goes, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever. But you just got to keep showing up, Yeah, 100%. I'm not new to the game, dude. I've been trading since 2014, and losses are anyone that tells you that they don't have losses, man, like, they're liars. There's no way. Ain't no way you trade like consistently and profitable, like, without losses. So this thing is pushed up now into this zone. Has this like hammer candle here on the 5-minute. This could, excuse me, could be a double bottom here. If we break out of here, this area, oh, that was a shitty line. We break out of this area, start moving up here, could be. But she literally just came and kissed this and said, nah. We'll see. Look at that. But there was no, and if it would have been better price action here, it didn't give me any sign. Like that's what I was looking at for a break and a retest here, which it would have been nice. I mean, shit, we would have been in 20 pips profit. But the thing is, this price action, like if you would have got into this on a retest, that would have been pure luck from a price action standpoint, because I don't read anything here. Like, look at the candle. Like momentum is to the downside. Here's the zone. There's a small wick here. That's not really even a rejection. The next candle, impulse, no wick to the downside. For me, I would expect a bigger correction than this. You get a doji, price reversal sign, then you continue push up. Like it's not to me. I would have much rather preferred like a bigger wick here for a rejection, price reversal sign, and bullish engulf, and then I could have got in, but it didn't do that. So we take what we take, what is given, what the market gives us. And look, it's coming down. Yeah, gold is pushing up, watch out. I should probably add my Instagram on here. Maybe we get some reversal here. But you see, like, you see this market structure here. But like, it took this many candles just to cover these three, right? So the dominance, I feel like, is to the downside. It's like takes like five times as many candles, and let's see, let's measure this. 16 bars. 16 bars to cover what happened in 4. So 4 times as many candles. Hmm. Look at that volume. Yeah, I think she's gonna push up. She's probably gonna break out over here. You know what? I think we got a nice sell coming up here. Look at the rejection here. 15-minute rejection. 5-minute entry for a sell. Oh, this is gonna be nice. We might take sales here on GJ if this closes. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, guys. I'm going to take a sell here on GJ. 3.5 is going to be my lot size. On GJ, 3.5, taking a sell. Taking a sell on GJ. GJ. My entry was 181.204. Jesus, like. This is going to be my second trade, guys. This will be my second trade. So this will be the last trade. gonna fucking fly up, aren't you? About to stop us out. Yeah, after we take 2 L's, I'm done for the day. Just pushing down. Here we go. That's what I was looking for. Come on, baby. Moving into profits. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me what I like. Give me what I like. Come on, baby. Give me what I like. There we go. Nice. Break that low. Beautiful. Beautiful. Push, push, push. Push, baby. You got this. You got this. Push. There you go. There you go. We're up about 12 pips. Come on, baby. Almost there. Hmm. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's hit TP1. Let's hit TP1. At TP1, I'm going to close half and adjust stops to break even. Just about there. Come on, baby. There we go. There's the horns. There's the horns. All right, I'm closing half, guys, and adjusting my stops to break even. I suggest you guys do something similar. She's melting too. Nice. Come on, baby. Keep it. Let's keep it going. Milking it. Milking it. Let's go to TP2. Let's go ahead and take TP2. Oh, she's gonna come back break even on us. I only have half my original position running. I closed half at TP1. And she came close. She's still in. She's still in. Yeah, so the risk was 0.5%. No, I started the challenge yesterday. But if you just started today and just took this one, then then you're in the win column. I'm down. I think. Let me see, 0.5%. Yeah, 0.65%. So just about like 0.5%. We got about 45 minutes left in the stream. Um, for the challenge account, I won't be trading it till London session tomorrow, but I'll be on for New York session, NYSE Open with VIP. I'll be trading my own account though, not the challenge account. Look at gold. Rejected this zone. Push down. Interesting. Yeah, so we're like 35 pips in profit. Yeah, it's not bad. It's okay. I mean, she's moving down. Would like for TP2 to hit, take some more partials, but we'll see. She's giving us another doji here. She gave us a doji here, but then we melted, so maybe we get another melt here. Get us to TP2. We shall see. I'm a little tired already. Yeah, at the bare minimum, I mean, I'm at break even. My stops are at break even, so I'm not risking any capital here. For these trades right here, I'm trading on MetaTrader 5 for the Blue Guardian Challenge, doing the 100K challenge. No, I'll be on for London tomorrow. I'm saying I'm gonna be on for New York session with VIP, and then tomorrow, London, I'll be trading the challenge account again. For New York session, I'm not trading the challenge account. I'm only trading the challenge account on the live here. Yeah, you can close whenever you want, guys. I mean, I'm just sharing what I do. What you do is up to you. The commission on Blue Guardian, I believe it's $6 like per lot. How do I get access to VIP? You can go to the link here on Linktree, and there should be a button for VIP. Yeah, for London session is just an hour before London Open, an hour after. Um, if I don't have a setup or I'm not in trade by then there's no, it's not a trade day, for me. Fortune funding is $15 per lot. That's crazy. I think the standard is like $7. Yeah, spreads are not too bad either. Yes, but this stream will be we'll finish the stream here in about like 30 minutes. So depending, more than likely, whenever we're wrapping up the stream, I'll probably close the remaining position. Hopefully you guys were able to make some money with me today. Oh, what happened? Yeah. You guys can find my Instagram there. Can I ask how many paid subscribers you have on board? In the VIP? Um, there is 258 people. 258 people in the VIP. Come on, TP2. About 38 pips in profit. You're welcome. You're welcome. I don't always have the VIP open. Like I usually just let like a few people in at a time and then close it. It was closed the past few weeks, but I just opened it. Come on, TP2. Do you scale into trades? I do not on this strategy. Like this strategy, I don't scale into trades, but I do have a strategy where I scale into trades. Not trading that way for this, just because it's a challenge account. People are trying to follow along, and to do all that and talk people through it is too much. So I just want to keep it nice and simple, easy as possible. Like just to be able to have the best chances for people to be able to follow along and trade with me. Like I'm not really doing the challenge for myself. Like doing the challenge to help others pass as well. Here comes TP2, baby. 47 pips in profit. Let's go. This is a beautiful trade. I'll probably close out here at TP2, guys. We got, yeah, there goes TP2. There goes the horns. One more time for the people in the back. TP2 hit about 52 pips in profit. I'm going to go ahead and close out my entire position. The only reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to be off here in like 20 minutes. And I don't want it to be like, moving up and down on me for no reason. I don't need to be monitoring it, because if we have like any kind of pullback here, then I'll end up taking less. So I went ahead and closed out all completely the remaining position I had here at TP2. I think it can still push down a little bit further down. I mean, honestly, I think it could come down even to this level, but I don't know how long that'll take. I mean, she's melting even more now. If you stayed in, but for the challenge account right now, I'm still under, but I'm down 0.3%, 0.39%. So less than 0.5%. I'm at a 60% win rate. Today was an actually profitable day, not compared to yesterday. Dang, look at her go. Nice trade, man. It was a really nice trade. Really nice trade. Look at that. Oh, she's going to hit TP3. Sheesh. Should have stayed in. All good. All good. We will be back tomorrow, guys, for the London session to continue trading the challenge account. We're just taking it nice and easy, nice and slow. Steady wins the race, if you're in my VIP, I'll be on in about 4 hours. Send you guys a Zoom link, and we'll trade US 30. I'm not trading the challenge account during New York session, so don't worry, you're not missing out on anything besides the US 30 New York profits. But that I'm going to be trading on my own personal account. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and hop off here. I got like 20 minutes left on the stream, but I'm already out of the position and I don't want to keep looking at the charts and be tempted to jump into another trade. So I'm going to go ahead and jump off, but I appreciate you guys jumping on with me. Staying tuned in. And if you're following along with your own challenge, we're creeping back up to break even and get into some profits. Hopefully we can end tomorrow, the week with, in the positive, right? Either way, I'll be doing a recap with Trading Nut. I think he'll be posting like a video or something like that of where we end up for the week. All right. But I'm going to go ahead and jump off, guys. Much love. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys mañana. Peace.